Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Arellano Chiefs ang Lyceum Pirates 25-19, 25-10, 25-19. Best player of the game si Arman Ginto sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 13 attacks at 1 block. Panalo naman ng EAC Generals kontra sa Litran Knights 25-22, 25-19, 22-25, 25-22. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang Litran Lady Knights kontra sa EAC Lady Generals 25-22, 25-21, 23-25, 25-15. Best player of the game si Yen Martin sa likod ng kanyang 15 points mula sa 15 attacks na may kasamang 10 excellent digs at 6 excellent receptions. Panalo naman ng Lyceum Lady Pirates kontra sa Arellano Lady Chiefs 25-15, 22-25, 25-11, 27-25. Heto ang team standings ng NCAA Men's Division as of April 16, 2024. AAC Generals 3 wins 0 loss, San Beda Red Spikers 3 wins 0 loss, Perpetual Altas 2 wins 0 loss, Arellano Chiefs 2 wins 1 loss, San Sebastian Stags 2 wins 1 loss, Binel Blizzards 1 win 2 losses, Litran Knights 1 win 2 losses, Mapua Cardinals 0 win 2 losses, Lyceum Pirates 0 win 3 losses, GRU Heavy Bombers 0 win 3 losses. Heto naman ang team standings ng NCAA Women's Division as of April 16, 2024. Binel Lady Blizzards 3 win 0 loss, Litran Lady Knights 3 win 0 loss, Lyceum Lady Pirates 3 win 0 loss, Perpetual Lady Altas 1 win 1 loss, Mapua Lady Cardinals 1 win 1 loss, Arellano Lady Chiefs 1 win 2 losses, GRU Lady Bombers 1 win 2 losses, San Beda Lady Red Spikers 1 win 2 losses, San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win 3 losses, EAC Lady Generals 0 win 3 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.